Let me show you how to create this glowing halo effect using Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new file. Choose the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a blue circle. Duplicate the layer, and then again. Change the ellipse below color from blue to red. Now convert the middle layer into smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and click on OK to apply it. And again, convert to smart object. Again, apply Gaussian Blur. Now select all the three layers and convert them into a single smart object. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and apply. Now import your image into Photoshop. Remove background and adjust it to fit properly. If you have any questions, write in below and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. Now, create an empty layer. Reduce the opacity to 50%. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. Hold Option Alt key, then click in between the two layers to create a clipping mask. Pick the brush tool and pick a sample from this area and paint over the edges and the bright areas. Then pick the blue color from this area and paint again. Create brightness or contrast adjustment layer. Reduce the brightness and increase contrast. Now select the layer mask. With the brush tool selected, black as the foreground color, flow reduced, and paint at the edges and preferred areas to bring back the brightness. Now select the image layer and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter to make the final adjustments. And that's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.